Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. What will I be using this lint roller to do for my Tiny Tidy today? Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday. I love Tuesdays because I get so much motivation from our Tiny Tidy team. Thank you so much to Sunday Dawn, as always, for putting this playlist together. I will link Sunday Dawn's channel, The Helpful Home, along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist for lots of tidying motivation in my description box below. So, I was showing you guys this. This is just a lint roller that I just picked up from a store. You can find these at the grocery store. You can find them at the Dollar Tree. You can find them pretty much anywhere. And I am going to use it to clean my lampshades. So that's what we're going to do for this Tiny Tidy today. I'm going to take this lint roller. You know how when you undo, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. You know how when you open it up, it has the sticky part? So all we're going to do is we're just going to take the sticky part and run them over the lampshades, and we're going to clean them. And we're just going to clean all the lampshades in my home and have them nice and clean, because lampshades are something that I often neglect. Sometimes I use my vacuum cleaner to clean them, but in a pinch, these will do. They work wonders. All the dust, all the ick sticks to it. You just take it off, throw it away. And if you have some lint on your clothes, you can use it for that too. So let's get busy cleaning my lampshades.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue.
So I see that there are two ways that you could do this. The first way is you can just go from room to room with your lint roller and clean those lampshades. The second way that you could do it is to go through your home, collect all of your lamps, and do it all in one place, and then replace the lamps. I chose to go from room to room. However, I did not show you every single lamp so that I could keep this video motivating yet short.
There's a lot of colors lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. The
show you a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm just taking the sticky part and I'm just running it down. You can run it straight down. You could do it sideways if you want. Also, on the top of your lampshades, most lamps have this little piece at the top. You can loosen it and then you can just turn the lampshade around so you do not have to move the lamp, or you can turn the lamp around if you need it to. Decide to use a lint roller, I would suggest to try it in an inconspicuous place on each shade, because yes, this happened to one of my lampshades. I did not test it first. Fortunately, I can turn the lamp around, but it was one of my more expensive lamps, so I was so disappointed that happened. So please test a spot first. Also, I want to take just a moment to introduce myself. If you happen to be new to my channel, my name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family.
The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore, while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way, shape, or form. Let me know in the comments some areas that you often neglect when cleaning your home, and if you have any simple cleaning solutions for those as well. And remember to check out today's Tiny Tidy playlist, and I will see you next time. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You stole my heart, what is it that you